Hey, this is Josh with Growlink, and I'm going to show you today how to update the device types for your controller within Growlink Portal 2.0. Here you can see I'm already logged into Portal 2.0. If you click the Settings tab on the sidebar here, you'll get a drop-down of all the controllers that you have registered to your account. In this example, we only have one controller. If you select this example controller, you'll see that there is the actual controller, a precision irrigation controller, and an environment module that is set up as a module underneath. If you select the precision irrigation controller, it will show all of the sensors and devices that are attached to this precision irrigation controller. If you wanted to change the device type of one of your outputs, all you have to do is go to the device type dropdown for this controller and change it from its current device type, which is valve, to say not in use if you're not using it at all, to none if nothing's hooked up to it, or if you have a batch tank, reservoir pump, etc., you could change that device type to the designated device type you would like. But this is how you would update those pieces. In this example, I'm going to set it to non-use because this valve isn't being used for anything. And then once we change it to not in use, we can go back and update the controller with that change setting. That's all you need to do to update your device types in Portal 2.0.